It's me, Manuel Lopez. I got a new amiibo, and it's Daisy. And if y'all guys been seeing me do a Daisy amiibo for a couple of while, with it, I'm using this Daisy. Cause one, I had no choice and no option. Some of y'all guys was going to ask me do a Daisy video, so I just go ahead and did it and just use this one, test it. So, but now we got the Daisy Smash Bros. Amiibo, so I won't have to use that one anymore. So I will get the Mario Party 11 thing so I can use it. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Can't. How do you get this? If you want to do the voice with that was on.
Maybe you can buy me another case for your Skylanders. You know, like I gave you, the little storage thing.
Oh yeah. I'm trying to find one.
Yeah, we'll go to dollar store.
Okay, here's Daisy. Look at the bottom. You gotta love her. I mean, like, look at her. She's so pretty, so fashionable, and I love her. I added up with the rest of them. Daisy is the first girl that I got. So if you want me to do an amiibo challenge or amiibo video, let me know in the comments down below. And please subscribe to my channel. I need 150 subscribers in order to get this. And don't worry, I'm still using these other amiibos. So long and stay fresh.